Machine learning is super cool and has great implications for the future, and it's going to play such a big role in our near future. So the field of machine learning basically wants to answer the question, how can we build computer systems that automatically improve with experience? And so there are many different types of machine learning algorithms with hundreds published each day, and they're typically grouped by either learning style, so for example like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, or by similarity in like form or function, so classification, decision trees, clustering, deep learning. So regardless of the learning style or function, all the combination of the machine learning algorithm consists of the following: representation, which is a series of classifiers or the language that a computer understands; evaluation, like object scoring function; optimization, so like search method, which is often the highest scoring classifier. So for example, there are both off-the-shelf and custom optimization methods used. So there are obviously challenges and limitations to machine learning, and so the two biggest or the most ongoing problems in machine learning as of now have involved overfitting, in which the model has bias towards the training data and does not generalize to new data or variance, and so it's like it learns random things when trained on new data. And then dimensionality, which is when algorithms with more features work in higher or multiple dimensions, which make understanding the data we get more difficult. Having access to a large enough data set has in some cases been like a primary problem to and like a challenge for machine learning. So most of the time, the most important factor in successful machine learning projects is the features. So the features used to describe the data, which are domain specific, and having enough data to train your models in the first place. So most of the time when algorithms don't perform well, it's because of a problem with the training data. So insufficient amounts, noisy data, or insufficient features describing the data for making decisions. Though there are a lot of challenges and limitations to machine learning, it's going to play a huge role in our future, and we are going to be depending on it, and I think it's a super interesting field to think about and to work with, and I find it super cool.